Sup? How you doing? Here I am again. I'm really doing two videos for one very old vintage cassette deck, but this time I had to do it. I really had to do it. This is, as you know, if you watched my first video, a very old vintage stereo cassette deck, Hitachi D-W800. It's a basic, for that time, very complicated, but after all that time, very basic cassette deck. I mean, it's not even auto reverse. As you can see, it's just, you can play only one side and then you have to switch it to the other side. But if you see this display and all the buttons, then you can see that it's pretty much advanced cassette deck for that time. What happened with that deck? I got it, it was broken, I was trying to fix it, but somehow I couldn't make it. And I wanted to give it another chance before I, take it to the dumpsters. The thing is with this cassette deck, when I replaced the belts, the problem is when I pressed the play button, everything just stopped. And if you can see, the deck has a background display. It's not display, it's just light, of course, but it has it on both decks. So that's kind of unique for a double cassette deck. That's usually something that you can see on something like a 3-head cassette decks, but this one has it. And it was the best model in that series. I think you can see like a couple of lower models, of course. But hey, the thing is, somehow there are two fuses inside, and one was, like kaput. So I replaced the fuse, and that was back in the game again. It was making very, very bad noises because I didn't properly assemble it again. But when I did it again after probably 10 hours of working on it, now it's working fine. Everything is working just fine. I did have to adjust some, like recording levels and stuff like that, but now you can see it's working just as it's supposed to do. Let me see. Yeah. And even if you wanna try to play something for the, let's see, to record something. Let's see the record level. Nice. Maybe we can try to record this. I got some background noises from dogs from my neighborhood, but what can you do? Alright, let's try to do this. So right now I'm recording on this side. Oh no, I did not press record button. Hold on. Now I'm recording it. Okay. I'm just gonna make a short. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Excellent. I see some distortion, baby. I did it a little bit too much, but alright. So everything is working just fine now. What is interesting with this cassette deck, I already mentioned it, it's like they tried to fake this eject button, but you can see it's all clumsy and very badly. But if you just see it like this, oh, it's very nice. It looks like it was a soft eject button, but it's not. So what I did, I cleaned the heads as much as I could. Also the cap stands, petrol is clean, but you can see that yellowish, very old, orange yellowish. I don't know how it is. It is a vintage thing. I did my best job, and it's working fine. Look, the deck right now, it's working just fine. That is funny. So what I did is basically replace the belts. There are two belts on both decks. Then after that, I adjusted the playback levels on both decks. It was not even. Now it's even. Then after that, I adjusted both deck speeds. So this deck and this deck now have the same speed, and it's regular speed. I tested with some, like regular tapes. So that's working fine. And after all that, I adjusted, like a recording level and all that stuff. So now 37 years old deck is working just fine. Not like new, of course, but it's working just fine. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Alright guys, see you next time. See.